सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ, आप बनाओ हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो, अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
পটল পোস্ত আর সর্ষে ইলিশ ভাপা। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।
Hey everyone, Ria here and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru. In today's video, we are diving into a significant development in the global commodities market, a substantial upward revision in the Russian wheat crop forecast. Black Sea agricultural consultancy Sovicon has just released its updated projections for the 2025 Russian wheat harvest, and the numbers are quite remarkable. They've raised their forecast to a whopping 85.2 million metric tons. This is a significant jump of 1.9 million tons compared to their previous estimate. What's driving this substantial increase? Well, official data reveals that Russian farmers have expanded their wheat planting area to 26.9 million hectares. That's 300,000 hectares more than initially anticipated. This larger acreage, coupled with reports of strong yields, particularly in parts of the crucial central region, is fueling this optimistic outlook. Moreover, crop prospects in other key agricultural areas like the Volga Valley and Siberia are also looking promising. Now, what does this mean for the global wheat market? Interestingly, we are seeing a downward pressure on prices. Currently, CBOT wheat futures are trading 1% lower in today's session. In fact, the most active contract is nearing the $5 a bushel mark for the first time in 5 long years. This increase in expected Russian wheat supply could have several implications. It might lead to greater export availability from Russia, potentially increasing competition in the global wheat market and contributing to the current downward pressure on prices. This is something we'll be keeping a close eye on here at Ajayasthomani Guru, as it can impact everything from food prices to the agricultural economy of various nations. So, there you have it, a crucial update on the Russian wheat crop forecast and its immediate impact on the market. Make sure you're subscribed to Ajayasthomani Guru for more in-depth analysis and the latest updates on commodity markets. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information valuable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.